Okay, that is a Diskus Padlock being picked open. This was a present from Scott, the undead enemy from UK Lock Sport. Thanks, Scott. This is a 2-lever multi-lock that I found on Christmas Day, the side of the road. And this is a beer that I got from Tesco's, the only shop that was open on Boxing Day. I'm going to open it with the Diskus Padlock, hopefully. Okay, let's just get this sorted out. There we go. It's open. Picking open a beer with a Diskus Padlock from Scott, the undead enemy, on Boxing Day, which is pretty good considering I can barely see. These are the goggles from Scott too.
The answer is